Hello and welcome to my channel. How to write a research paper. There is a question which is asked frequently. How to write a research paper? So today I am going to tell you about how to write a research paper. First of all, I want to tell you that if you want to get video related to writing, then you can go to my channel Career Top 9. Link in the description. On that channel, I generally post video related to writing and publishing. So let's talk about how to write a research paper. So before writing a research paper, we need to select a topic. So how to select a topic? This is very simple. I have done a video on this topic. Link is in I button. You can search it. When you find out the topic which you want to write a research paper, then what you have to do? First of all, when you select the topic, you should go to the research journal and find out some paper related to the topic. It may be some different topic, but at least you have to download 4 or 5 papers related to your subject, so that you can find out the way research paper is written. Okay. When you find out the research paper, when you read the research paper, when you download 4 paper of your subject, so first of all what you have to do is to read the research paper in detail. Okay, at least read 2 or 3 research paper, although it is not related to your topic, but still you have to read the paper. Okay, when you read 2 3 paper in detail, then those paper tell you how to write a research paper. Means you come to know that the way the writer of that paper wrote that paper is the way I have to write the same. Okay, so you know about abstract, literary uses, literary review, some headings related to your topics, keywords, and how to design a research paper. So you all come to know all about these small points. Okay, and then when you read 2 3 papers and you have selected your topic, then what you have to do? Just go to the Google Scholar, just go to the ResearchGate, and a lot of other sites are there. You can go to Shodhganga as well. So read the study material related to your topic, and you can choose books also, because books are always, we can say, the unexceptional things. You should read books. I will recommend to read books on the topic you have selected to write research paper, because there is no option of reading book. Okay, so when you get knowledge through books, through Wikipedia, through ResearchGate, through Google Scholar, then what you have to do while you are reading, you should make notes related to your topic. You should write some points, some data. You should write some paragraphs, some quotations from the reading, and then you have to collect them and you have to write in the way you have read the research paper. Okay, so this is the way we generally forget that is it mandatory to read a research paper before writing a research paper. So if you want to write research paper, I will strongly recommend to read research paper and put them in your paper. Okay, so if you read, then then only you can write research paper. If you think that somebody help me, then you can take help from your professors, from your colleagues, but still you have to read research paper. So I'll recommend you, I'll suggest you to read the research paper. Although you are not interested in writing research paper, you would have write research paper, but at least make a habit of reading some articles, reading some research paper, reading some books. These things help you to write something good, something extraordinary. Okay, so if you have any question, you can write in comment box, or you can visit my channel related to writing and publishing, Career Top 9. Link is in the description. Thank you.